Welcome to Epson Projector Self-Maintenance and Tips. In this video, you'll learn how to clean the air filter on your Epson projector. This demonstration applies to both the EB-FH54 and EB-L890E models. Starting with the EB-FH54. Before you begin, power off the projector and disconnect it from the power source. If the projector was recently used, allow it to cool down before handling. To access the air filter, locate the filter cover on the side. Gently hook your finger under the tab and lift to remove the cover. Next, remove the air filter by lifting it upward using the black grip at the top. Hold the filter with the surface facing downward, then gently tap it several times to remove dust. Once done, reinstall the filter and securely reattach the cover. For the EB-L890E, the steps are similar. Make sure the projector is powered off, unplugged, and has cooled down before you start. Next, we will demonstrate the procedure on the EB-L890E. With the projector placed on its underside, loosen the 2 thumb screws, then open the air filter cover to access the air filter. Pull the air filter out of the projector. Hold the filter facing downward, then tap each side 4 to 5 times to shake off excess dust. Place the air filter back into the projector as shown. Close the air filter cover and tighten the thumb screws. Before we end, here are a few important tips. If there is excessive dust, use a vacuum cleaner on the front side of the filter. If the filter is damaged, replace it with a new one. Loose particles may cause damage to the projector. Handle the filter carefully. Tapping too forcefully may cause damage. Do not wash the air filter or use detergents or solvents. For more maintenance guidance, refer to the user manual included in the box or visit the Epson website. Thanks for watching.